Hi everyone, Russell here again. Today I'm going to be installing this HMF front bumper. I'll put the web link down on the bottom. It does come with the winch bracket. This also comes in the kit, and here's the front cover also. But the Fairlead I did buy separately off of Amazon for 20 bucks. There was the raw red and black options for that. So I'll go ahead and get started. I'll include the links in the description. And we're gonna go ahead and take off the factory bumper and transfer the winch over to the new bumper. And I decided basically to go with silver just for a little more color contrast on here. It does come in black, red, or silver options. But since I upgraded my springs and the only option for silver, the only option for that was silver, I kind of liked having that third color option on the Talon. So I went ahead and ordered silver, so it'll match the springs and just, I guess, make it a little more unique. So to get the front bumper off, we're just this 12 millimeter here. Of course, both 10 millimeter nuts on the winch. Two 12 millimeters right there. And the two 5 millimeter Allens. So on both sides, and that'll get the front bumper off. All right, so I just have the 4 bolts holding the winch back into place. Installed that new Fairlead with the supplied bolts, and then there's 2 bolts on the bottom there holding that bracket. So this is a super easy process. All right, so it comes with these spacers, 2 for each side. So the back one I was able just to tap into place perfectly with a hammer. And so these spacers go right there on both sides. Also comes with a new bolt for it. So this is what it looks like completely installed. Went on very easy. Of course, got the winch and everything hooked back up. You just reused this bolt here on the bottom, 5 millimeter. You reuse this bolt as well, but it comes with a washer and a nut to go on the back side. And then I just elected to reuse the factory bolts instead of the Allens that came in it. And it does say to reuse this bolt here on the bottom as well. You can see there's my front camera, which I installed it there after I ordered this bumper. In that location, it doesn't work great with the factory bumper, but it works perfectly as far as vision goes with this bumper. And of course, the 2 yellow reflectors are on there as part of the street legal check off list. So those are kind of being blocked now, but they look stupid anyways. I just put them on there because I had to. But that's what it looks like completely installed. It's nothing massive. The silver matches my springs perfectly. And 2, HMF is probably the most friendly, military friendly company I've dealt with. So if you're military, active duty, or retired, you can call them up, and they have one of the biggest discounts I've come across for military. So just something to keep in mind.